Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically you are using a domain in a different platform. Let's say for example Shopify or whatever. But for now you are using Wix in 2026 and you want to transfer a domain. So in today's small tutorial I'll make sure to show you all of them steps needed so we can actually do so fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, then go all the way and look for Wix.com. After this, open the website here, log in using your email address and password, then they're gonna take you to this window or this dashboard. Okay. So the second question or option is connect a custom domain. Basically, they're gonna give you a recommended domain. You can basically connect it by tapping on let's go, following the informations or whatever. But basically, if you are already using this website, you can go to the domain settings. Okay, for example, we have a lot of things going on here. So let's go and look for domains. Okay, we got this domains. We're gonna wait again till this page fully opens. As you see guys, what domain do you want to connect to food? Enter the web address you want for your website. It can be a domain you want to buy or one you already own. So put the domain that you already own here and tap on let's go. Then enter the steps that you need to follow. Once fully approved, your domain will be fully managed by Wix. All you're gonna do is save these settings and that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.